How to download and install Carrom Pool disc game on your Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. To download and install Carrom Pool game on your device, first of all, launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store if you're using iOS. In the search bar, type in Carrom Pool and search. Look for the application from miniclip.com that says Carrom Pool disc game, this one over here, and tap on install to begin the download process. Now wait for the application to install on your device, which will take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Just make sure you have a stable internet connected, whether it is a Wi-Fi or cellular data. Now wait for the application to install. Once it does, click play. Now you'll come across this page over here. Go ahead and select your language and choose one of the login methods and you'll be able to play the game. Carrom Pool is super easy to pick up and you'll get better with just a few games. So there you have it. That is how you can get the Carrom Pool disc game on your Android device. This also works for an iOS device since the process is quite simple and similar. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.